Okay, I think this is a existing field only, number of SANs field. So what I've done is, let me just show once. That way, even if I lose this sheet, you will have. So in the orders.csv, I'm just filtering for issue first. Only issued certificates, which is 625
Yep.
without heading, right?
Correct.
Now in this, I'm just copying all the certs here.
The issued one only.
Active orders, yeah, issued one only. Okay. Now in this, I'm doing the data sort by certificate common name, valid from, and then number of SANs. Let's see how it goes. I'm just doing it now. Now in this, I'm just identifying the duplicate certificates. I'm just repeating what we have done already for the duplicate orders, right?
Yep.
We identified there were around, right now I see only 190 duplicate. I think there were around 209 in your list,
Yes,
right?
correct.
I see 190. So if you see here, just copy. I don't know why the count is less in my sheet right now. Maybe we revoked a few. Your sheet is from June 22nd or so, right?
Yep.
So right now there are 190 duplicate certificates.
Okay.
So I want to start working on the duplicate from the number of SANs point. Like let's say
The highest
if
one.
you filter for if you filter for anything greater than, let's say, 40, right? These are the ones. And these count literally that many points.
Correct.
Right? So these are those certificates that are taking a lot of points. For example, this D1 Zoetis.com is 2 times. Each certificate has a 49, one has 49 points, the other one has 64 points. So this itself is adding up to 113 points.
Yep.
Which is too much, right? Like, so instead of hitting those small ones where there are 1 or 2 SANs, we should hit these.
Correct.
Do you agree?
Yep. Yes, Asha. Because even if we get duplicates out of these, even couple, we can easily get down 200 to 300 points.
Exactly. That is as good as almost 100 certificates, right? Like,
correct.
Because 64 points means he said 4 SANs are free of cost. So number of SANs are 64. So 4 SANs are free of cost. So remaining 60 are points.
Correct.
If you see this itself, right? 1000 points. Only these certificates.
Yes, Asha. But Asha, these are
Yeah. So
you already filtered. These are the ones which are duplicated, right? These are the shortlisted. Okay.
yes. For example, this one is 2 times.
Yeah.
D2 is 2 times. D3 is 2 times. And thankfully, all these are for same application team. FFO, I think, belongs to some. I forgot her name. It starts with H actually, so it is a SAP team basically.
Yep.
I forgot the name, but I think you should be able to. They have web servers only. I mean, normal Windows servers. These are not like websites, I think. So, can you send an email today with high priority symbol and loop and Phoenicia and tell them that as part of whatever template that we have, right?
Yeah.
just send that saying that as part of certificate cleanup, we would like to know what is our existing certificate, and we'll see. Even if we revoke half of these, because I think what Franco was trying to say is last year when he came for renewal, it was 1500 points. This year we are at 3000 points. That's what he's saying. He's saying that we are almost double the points that we used to have. And
Correct.
it makes sense, right? Here itself 1000 I'm seeing. And
Yeah.
it's very obvious, right?
Straight 1000 points up.
Yeah. So if we remove half of these, like 500 points will be down, which is as good as cleaning up almost 200 300 certificates.
Correct.
So let's do it.
Sure, Asha. So I will send the same template, including all the thumbprints and all the information which we have discussed, and sort this.
Correct. Because you're emailing Hybris team, I was just seeing everything that starts with FFO, irrespective of the points, and looks like this is the right number only.
Yep, and they all are multi SSL. Nothing is GeoTrust or anything.
Correct. So yeah, let's go ahead and
Sure,
send this
Asha.
email
I
to
will
them.
find the owner and get all the information necessary and send it out today.
Yeah, I think it is Harveen Channapragada, if I'm not wrong. All SAP certificates, and then there'll be someone called Rajesh or someone. So yeah, just send it with high priority. Just do important action required and something like that, and loop in Fanisha, and then forward that to Fanisha and tell these are the certificates which have my maximum SANs occupying maximum points. So cleaning this would revoke at least 500 points. If you mention that, then he'll definitely run.
Yep.
And he would also respond on that email saying asking him to reply.
Sure, Asha. I will do this.
So which fields are we sharing with application team? Just the serial number, common name, valid from valid to.
Yes, Asha. So with the thumbprint serial number, they will get to know which one they are using currently, and the one which they don't, we make an option where they can say revoke, and whichever they say revoke, we open a ticket and revoke that certificate.
I think for them, I would request you to attach as an attachment, Anuraj. The reason being, they have a lot of SANs, right? I think you should include the SANs also in the Excel sheet for them to review.
Okay,
Asha. SANs field.
I think you didn't select it in the starting when we were filtering. I'm not sure.
No, I selected everything.
SAN was in the starting only, I think. This next to common name, it is.
Okay. This one. Yeah. So I think you should probably include this as well.
Okay.
So that they get a chance to review the SANs as well.
So Asha, can I include like from field C to basically G, where common names are also there? I will attach in an Excel sheet all this data, and in the, because I cannot mention all the SAN names on that template.
Exactly. That's why let's put it as a attachment. Column C to G. I agree. And then it's useful. I think that's it. Column C to G should be fine.
Okay, Asha.
I'm sure they might be using the latest ones because if you look at the number of SANs,
there are more.
Yeah, right. Maybe they submitted a ticket to reissue the certificate, and our team as usual issued another one
instead of renewing.
Yeah. So if you see this one, right? This is on June 9th. Can you find out who did this ticket? Because they mentioned instant ID also here, but happily they ended up placing another order.
Correct. Sure, Asha. What is the
Right. This is again multi-domain SSL only. If it is legacy, I would understand why they placed another order. Right.
Yes, Asha.
And unnecessarily creating confusion to us and to the application teams. So, because at least since last 4 months, not 4 months, okay, let's say 2 months. At least since last 2 months, we should not have duplicates, no? Like if team is following the process.
Correct, Asha.
So, just find out this one, okay, reference.
Okay, Asha.
I'll also discuss with the team in ops call tomorrow. I'll mention this.
Sure, Asha.
Do you need me to send or you should be fine, right? Like you will just filter. I'll just repeat your
Uh,
in the same orders.csv that you sent. Let's do filter FFO.
Yep, and I
If you filter for
duplicated.
FFO, all of these are there. In this, I think one is expired already. So you will remove the expired one. That's it. Remaining are your target. Send.
Sure, Asha. And Asha, you are going to send the consolidated sheet to Phanisha, and then he's going to send to
No,
Frank.
please go ahead. Please go ahead and send.
That pivot table one. Okay,
Just
Asha.
add a note to Phanisha saying that this is based on the data collected on June 22nd. We have cleaned up few and issued a few since then. Because again, the Shriram commercial account is not exactly matching and all that.
Okay, Asha. Actually, it's more for Francois to just get an idea. We will definitely next week update him with if we get a reply back from here, we will update the sheet and present to him.
Correct. Yeah, I think for him to just go back and discuss with his own team, he just wanted some baseline.
Correct.
But still, in the email, if we can just add a note saying that please note this is generated on like so and so date, and so counts will be slightly different with the current. So we have revoked few. Just like that.
Sure, Asha. I will mention one note.
Okay. Yeah, let's target this. Today only let's send email for this. FFO. And then let me remove this.
These are the tickets.
Why are they having duplicate? Okay, let's say I ignore wildcard certificate. You're looking at greater than 40, right?
Yep.
I'm just trying to see what are the remaining ones. This RASP already sent email, right?
Yes, Asha. RAS was already.
This is issued yesterday. Who is this? See, this was issued yesterday.
Yes,
like
Asha.
2 days ago.
Yep, 7/6. This ticket number is 613.
Okay, let me only do the. Yeah, you still find out and you still email them, but let me discuss with them in ops call tomorrow. This is too much, right? We are struggling to do the cleanup, and they come and mess it up every day. Then who's responsible to clean it up? These things frustrate me. I think the next one is these two, which these belong to SharePoint team. Aaron Hado and Dan Robinson.
Yep.
I think you can send an email to this as well, because they have a lot of SANs. Firstly, these are internal domain names. I don't know why they require a
external certificate for that.
external certificate. And these are expiring in September. I mean, this is expiring September and yeah. Okay, let's send an FFO email today, Anuraj.
Yeah.
And then let's send one more to this tomorrow or so. Okay.
Sure, Asha.
Yeah. If you get time, you can send for this as well. But otherwise, tomorrow is also okay.
Okay, Asha.
This, next ones.
Yes, I will try to prepare.
Meanwhile, let me find out. Sure.
This ticket, Sindhu have done, Asha. RAS1.
So can we keep this as a monthly cleanup also, Anuraj? Like every month, let's do the job. Give the job to the L2 team only, right? Why will L3 come and do the cleanup for what L2 has done? So once for all, you and Aishwarya will clean all the previous certificates, even if it is our mistake. But going forward, right? I think all you have to do is download the issued orders, or what we can do is every Friday, to send the certificate reminders, team downloads the
recent
active orders.
Correct.
When they download it for renewal, for sending the reminders, let's ask them to do one more step. That okay, all they have to do is just do highlight here and do conditional formatting, highlight duplicate cells, right? Like that's all they have to do, right? If they just do duplicate certificates in issued status, okay, old ones are okay, but if they scroll down, if they find something like this, like
RAS1.
see, today Jira is also issued. I'm very frustrated. Okay.
No, Asha. Definitely, I'm understanding what happening because we are trying to, pile up our work and then cleaning up at the same time. There are too many
Exactly,
email
just because they were
communication.
sleeping.
Yep.
Yeah.
Actually, Asha, when I was
So
mentioning,
this should be an easy thing to do. I'm sorry. Go ahead, sorry.
I was just saying, like, instead of because what happening is, like Aishwarya was leading supposedly for duplicate certs. Other team members don't even know about duplicate certs or what is going on. So it's like, if we can make a process like you are mentioning every week, we can make that whole process and present in front of L2 and request them to follow. So we have some data over the weeks and months to understand what issues we are facing in PKI. Is it manual error or it's more about DigiCert, or in general we are not issuing a new certificate instead of renewing the certificate?
Actually, I've told this to the team already. They because when I started looking at this last month, right, for this whole reminder sending and all that, because they are the ones who have issues. Because when they need to send reminders, if they see that two orders are there, they should not send reminder. Right? For example, this is coming up for renewal in July. But they should not send the renewal because this is already renewed and valid.
Correct. So at that time they should do the cleanup.
Exactly. That's what I've told them that. For example, okay, this is one more point I'm going to get hold on. Okay. See, what I've told them is, let's say, last Friday, let's say, on July 2nd, someone this would have come up in our certificate reminder notification saying that this is going to expire in next 10 days. right?
Yeah.
Certificate days remaining is 10 days. Now, when they try to send the reminder, they will see that there is already another certificate issued, so they should not send the reminder.
Correct.
So the action item for them is to come back and mark this certificate as renewed in DigiCert.
Hmm.
That way the status will change from issued to, this will be issued only, but is renewed will become 1.
Correct.
Right? Otherwise, what is the point? Like,
Yes, Asha, and at least with external DigiCerts, we can see and do it and download the reports. For internal, I am very confused with cleanup and inventory. I know every week they send and upload a sheet um, for internal certs, but uh, we can do something for DigiCert like external certificate and something for internal, because there is no
yeah,
concrete
internal I agree
information.
that's a problem. But the thing is, if you look at the recent PKSOP that we created, right? Because internal is already such a huge data and we don't revoke the
Hmm.
certificates by default. The process says once they download, they have to remove the duplicates. They have to sort the data, remove the duplicates, and then find out the latest certificate expiry date, and then that's when they will get the right filtered data to send reminders. But anyways, I understand certificate external.
Yeah.
I'm not bothered about internal, to be
Yeah.
very honest, at this stage at
Yeah.
least. Uh,
It's more.
but the external one, right?
Yes, Asha.
That's why you and Aishwarya should have some grip on this every at least once in a month, right?
Yes, Asha.
You should do this check. You have to download the active orders and just do a quick analysis. That way, we don't need to spend this much effort after 1 year, 2 years, right?
Yes, Asha.
So, like, download the active records, filter for duplicates, and find out.
Actually, Asha,
Like,
what
the
you're
same thing.
suggesting every week is more better than we have less data and we can go back and check with the team and ask them to correct if something is going wrong than coming back for a month data and trying to.
Yeah, as long as we can do weekly, right? Weekly, we should ask team for sure to do because they're anyhow downloading the data,
Yep.
right? So when they anyhow download the active records data into for sending reminders, it takes another 1 minute exactly to highlight the duplicate cells and realize that okay, this is duplicate, this is duplicate, this is duplicate. So see, this one they issue 2 times.
Service account.
If they issue same time, I just told them that the bug is not there. With the 7 minutes gap, this is issue.
And it has the same sense, Asha, both of them. Yeah, it has both same sense.
Yes. This is easy to clean up right away, Anuradh. I think team would have downloaded one certificate only and sent an email. If you look for that email, right, you can get the thumbprint from that email and revoke the remaining one.
Okay, Asha.
Yeah. See here, right? There are total 5 with the same common name.
CV2, there are 2 and 1 also, right? But 1 are 3 and they 2 are GeoTrust.
There are 3. 2
You-
are from GeoTrust, 1 is recently renewed.